guys, Chantal here from Nerdy Mama. Today we are going to take a ugly old can light and turn it into a pendant light. Now, let me start by just warning you, I did not realize how simple this would be before I did it, and I almost, once I'd done it, thought, well, this doesn't even need to be a video because it's so simple. But then I was like, wait, no. I didn't know how easy it was to change a can light into a pendant light. And it really gives just a dramatic change to your kitchen, or which is where I did it, or over your bar, or in front of your mantle, or anywhere that you have can lights. And frankly, I would have done this years ago in all of the houses that we've owned, not just this one that had the really scary icky can light, if I had known. So I thought, well, okay, if I didn't know, then maybe other people don't know. So I went ahead and posted the video. So if it seems really dumb and simple to you guys, that's because it is. And once you do it yourself, you're gonna be like, oh, this is just stupid. Why didn't I do this a million years ago? So I love videos like this myself. So I thought, well, I might as well post it. So if you think it's dumb, that's on you. Enjoy. So to start with, I got this really cool kit and a pendant cover, or just a light cover. Do I really need the instructions? I don't know, probably not. So we'll just kidding, I really do actually, because they're kind of important. So gonna start with, oh hey, circuit breaker. Turn that off, yeah. Now, gotta get the existing light bulb out of there, and then we've got to get this gold can light cover icky thing, and it's attached with springs, so you've got to get up in there and actually detach the springs, and it just comes right out. The new one, really cool. It just actually screws right into the light bulb thing. I don't even know, it's so cool. It just screws right in, see? And I could be done right here if I had too much cord still. So I have this funky fur down, it's all sorts of stuff. So I did a dry fit, made sure it fit, looked like it did, pull it back down, and gotta fix that cord. But that's super simple, right? Oh, gotta get a screwdriver and unscrew this little screw, and then doing that, which kind of took forever, because oh my god, this screw was ridiculous! Oh, and I dropped it. And then shove the cord up in there to kind of back it out, so you've got some tension on the cord, and it doesn't pull all the way out, because that's a lot of cord. Check it a couple of times, make sure it fits, screw that little screw back in there, and then stick everything in the hole, tighten that screw, and seriously, at this point, now you just do your regular stuff. You take that off, and then get your little cover on there, screw that on. You don't want that falling on your head. Make sure that's good and tight. You really don't want it falling on your head. Yep, there you go. Now you're ready for a light bulb. It was that fast, you guys. Seriously. And check it out. In just a second. Check it out. Bam! It worked! Woo! Alright, so can light to pendant light. Totally stupidly easy, right? I loved it. It was fun. And if you loved it and you thought this was fun and you'd really like to see more videos like this from me specifically, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, number one. That way you're notified when I put out a new video. And then number two, if you'd like to do a little bit more to support us, check us out check me out on patreon.com. Me, same thing. Patreon.com/nerdymama. That's going to be me. We have some fun tiers and ways to help support and keep these kind of videos coming. So thank you very much. And I really hope you learned a ton today for this really dumb and simple video. Thanks. Bye.